Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. For this upcoming week's plan with me, I'll be using my Glam Girl Planner, the Agenda 52 Girl Sticker Pack, as well as some Teale washi tape, and both of those are from Hobby Lobby. And I'll be using the planner rubber stamp set, which is available at rubberstamps.com. And so these are the things I'll be using to decorate this week's plan with me, and from there we'll go into writing our plan. I hope you enjoyed this week's plan with me. If the lighting was all over the place, it's because the sun was just literally in and out the entire recording of this video. But that's okay. I'm using natural lighting, and so that happens sometimes. But anywho, I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a blessed, happy, and well-planned week, and see you next time.